It's been a long time since I made a video, but here we go. It's now winter time. Last time I made a video was about a couple months ago now. I am going to Outback in my new Honda. No, it's my mom's car. No plan for this video other than that I'm going to Outback and back. But last time I went to Outback, I saw Supermoto, I guess, and he did a wheelie, and I tried to catch it as close as I could, but I wasn't able to that well when I looked at the video. But other than that, I got nothing for you. So enjoy the rest of the video, I guess. Like probably whatever 3-minute long video this is gonna be. The main thing is for the channel that's coming up, as I want to get a new truck, and it's gonna be an F-150, but I want at least a 2011, so I'll be doing a lot of videos on that. It won't be until probably the summertime, probably like June or so. I guess I could call this an update video, because I haven't done anything in like 2 months, 2.5 months. So yeah, so the F-150's coming, hopefully. I'll have some time to record in the summer. I'll probably make quite a bit of videos in the summer. I'll do ice cream cruise again when it's August again. That is all I have for this video. Everything turns out okay and I get my truck. It's gonna be nice for me. Always wanted a truck since I was probably like 8 or 9 years old. I'm not gonna put huge upgrades onto it. Like maybe I'll probably do, if it doesn't have dual exhaust already, I might do a dual exhaust, but I'll save that for when I actually get the truck, or maybe like another video like later on this week. Not much content other than like driving around and doing montages like that. But yeah, there'll be a couple of montages though. Like I only did 2 so far, but I'll do probably a couple more this winter, and then maybe like if it ever snows, I don't know if it will or not. I guess this will be it for the video. Subscribe and leave a comment. I'll see you guys in the next one.